Introduction to recurring events in Google Calendar.
Recurring events save you time by automatically repeating important meetings, tasks, or reminders. Google Calendar allows you to set events that repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or at custom intervals. In this guide, you'll learn the simple steps to create recurring events so you never miss appointments and keep your schedule organized with ease.
Opening Google Calendar and creating an event.
Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser or mobile app. Click the Create button, usually marked with a plus sign. In the event pop-up, add your event details, like the title, location, and time. This is the same first step you take for any new event, but now you're ready to set it to repeat.
Setting the frequency of your recurring event.
Look for the option labeled Does Not Repeat or Repeat within the event window. Click it and a menu will appear. Choose from options like Daily, Weekly, Monthly, or Custom. For full control, select Custom to specify days of the week or months. Adjust these settings to match your exact schedule needs.
Customizing and ending recurring events.
You can set an end date for your recurring event or choose for it to repeat forever. Click on the End Date field to select a specific date or number of occurrences. Google Calendar also allows you to change details for individual instances later without affecting the whole series.
Saving and managing recurring events.
Once you've chosen your repetition preferences, click Save. Your recurring event now appears automatically on your calendar for each interval chosen. To edit or delete, click on any event in the series for options to update just one instance or the entire recurring series. It's that simple to keep your calendar under control.